Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how my basement got flooded, as we have this property right here. We own a couple properties on the street. We got it up for sale and the basement flooded, man. It flooded out on us. So now we had to re-put in all new carpet in this basement, man. This is the part of real estate that you may or may not like. Wayne, show us exactly where this leak was coming from in the basement. That's all for next door. Look, guys, before I take you guys downstairs and show you guys the flood, though, I do want to show you guys this the property. This is the property we finished. Got it all done. This is the kitchen. It's kind of dark in here. The lights ain't on right now. This is the property we finished, though. I put that work in, man. We put it up for we put it up for about $239,000. Staged, looking right. Here's one of the bathrooms. Here's another bedroom, small little office room. Here's another bathroom to the place. Now, guys, look, we probably spent about, I don't know, around 30 and some change maybe on rehab, around 30, really close to 30. And we bought it around, we got the property, another big room at that. Let me bring you guys in here so you guys can see. It's a decent room. So, I mean, we made a great profit on this house. We bought it for around 105 or so, you know, put about a 30 ball in it. And then we actually, sold it for $239, so it's about $100,000 in profit minus some closing costs. So this one did good. I think the one next door, we got another one next door. It's gonna even do better, guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe, lock in, stick with me. You feel me? Look, I'm gonna go down. Let's go down here in this basement, man. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what happened down here. Look, we carpeted all this, right? Coming down the steps, all this. We linoleum, all that. Carpeted all this because these are bedrooms over here, right? Well, over here, this is where we had about an inch full of water on the floor in this room. This was all carpeted already because it ran right to that carpet right there. And it all came in just like that room. Well, what happened was we had a leak over here on a garden hose. I'm gonna show you guys exactly outside. You see that right there? Hopefully you guys can see that piece. It started leaking. So it's bringing water dripping down the wall, water dripping down, just hitting the ground, you know, and it's just flooding and flooding. Somebody came in to look at the house actually, or came in to over there. I think it was the appraiser actually was coming in that day. And the water was just about an inch on the floor, man. It was so soggy and wet. The carpet's so soggy and wet, nothing you could do to it. We were gonna try to dry it out, but it smells so bad. It's just the name of the game, really, when it comes to, you know, when it comes to renovating property and doing what you do. Like, we need to fix this right here. See how bad that is? Don't look good. Yeah, we ain't gonna worry about it now. We gotta get padding in now, guys. So we're gonna repad this whole entire room. We're gonna repad the whole room and recarpet the whole room. We just brought the carpet in right here that we're gonna use. That was the heater we were using and the mop we were using to clean up all this water. Now, thank God the water didn't get over here on this side as well, over here in this side, in this area, because it'd have been really bad. It kind of stayed right here about maybe into this right here at the crease of the room. It stayed right there. Thank God it didn't just turn around. All I had to do was keep flooding it. It flooded this room out too. I had to rip up all this carpet in this room. Imagine what would have happened that day. I would have been pissed. I'm already pissed, trust me. But it's just part of the game, you know. But just to show you guys, real estate journey ain't nothing to play with. You know, you gotta you gotta be diligent. You gotta work hard. You think shit's gonna happen, bad shit's gonna happen. It happens every day. It's just a matter of time. You just gotta know what to do with it. We move promptly. We move quickly. We make things happen. So, you know, unfortunately it happened, but we're at it and trying to get the stuff fixed at the end of the day, you know, trying to get it right. Cause let me show you outside what happened outside with the actual where it froze at. It froze in between the house because it's warm in here. You know what I'm saying? The heat's on 60 degrees, you know, when ain't nobody in here. shit, ain't no below no 32. You know what I'm saying? To have no freezing pipes. But look what happened. This is it right here on the side of the house. You see this shit? Look, this thing's got ice on it right here. Look at this. So this is where it come from right here. And this thing between here and going down in the basement, that pipe must have got wet, froze up. And that pipe must have got wet, froze up, and busted. And then it started leaking right down into the basement. You see what I'm saying? So again, this stuff you can't, I can't make this shit up, man. Shit happens every day. You know what I'm saying? I got the house up. The house is done. It's ready. We just ripped out fucking hundreds of dollars in carpet. It's going to take a fucking day to lay that carpet and pad and clean it and all that. We already spent a half a day doing that, getting the water out. Much less laying the carpet. Laying the carpet don't take much time, but still, it's all adds up. You know what I'm saying? And the money adds up too. So, and this is why you got to make sure when you flipping these houses, make sure you got that buffer between, you got some motion, some room to fail, right? Because failures are going to happen. Pipes fail. That pipe failed. I didn't fail. The pipe failed. You see what I'm saying? And so it's just part of the game, man. I'm trying to give you guys show you guys as much content as I can day by day. Make sure you subscribe and lock in if you haven't. And hopefully you guys, understand that, this shit, I'm trying to show you guys the truths of real estate investing, the real deal of it, the bad shit that happens and the good, We're going to make a lot of money in the house.